Hey there, and welcome to this exciting Excel adventure brought to you by CodeDevPay and proudly sponsored by Engage. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by rows, columns, and endless numbers, don't worry, we've got you covered. I'm here to guide you through every step of the way, and by the end of this course, you'll be navigating Excel like a true pro. So buckle up because we are about to dive into the basics, and I promise you will master the Excel interface and navigation with ease and confidence. Let's get started and unlock the power of Excel. What will you gain from this course? By the end of this course, you'll be able to navigate Excel with ease. No more feeling lost. You'll be able to use keyboard shortcuts, manage sheets, and find your way around Excel in no time. 2. Work with data efficiently. Whether you are entering data manually, importing data from external sources, or organizing large data sets, you have the skills to do it all. Perform calculations instantly. Use built-in Excel functions to quickly perform calculations and get insight from your data. Create compelling visuals. Visualizing data is a huge part of modern-day analysis. You will learn how to create stunning charts and graphs to make your data easier to understand. Analyze Excel like a pro with powerful tools like pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, and advanced filtering. You'll be able to analyze complex data and extract meaningful insights. Building professional reports and dashboards. By the end of this course, you'll be able to put together polished Excel dashboards that can be used in real-life business scenarios. Why Excel is essential. 1. Versatility across industry. Excel is not just for accountants or data analysts. It is used in almost every industry, from marketing, finance, education, healthcare, sales, logistics, engineering, and more. Excel helps you to stay organized, manage data, and automate tasks. It is indispensable in almost any job role. 2. Data is the new oil. In today's world, businesses are driven by data. Being able to understand and manipulate data can set you apart from others. With Excel, you can collect, clean, analyze, and present data in a way that will make you an asset to any team or organization. 3. Time saving and efficient. The time you save using Excel automation features like formulas, conditional formatting, pivot tables will boost your productivity. No more manual calculations or hours spent organizing data. Excel gets the job done quickly and accurately. 4. Decision making. Excel is a critical tool for decision makers. Whether you are tracking sales performance, budgeting, or analyzing market trend, Excel helps you make informed decisions by giving you tools to analyze and visualize data. Career advancement. Having Excel skills can make you a huge difference when it comes to job hunting and career advancement. It's a sort of after skills across various industries, and proficiency in Excel opens up more opportunity for you, from basic administrative roles to higher level management positions. Now, who should take this course? Beginners who wants to master Excel. This course is perfect for anyone who is new to Excel and wants to build a strong foundation. Professionals looking to improve productivity. If you are looking to save time and work more efficiently with data, this course will give you the skills you need. Students, entrepreneurs, and small business owners. If you are working with data for research or schools projects, Excel will be one of the best friends. Keep track of your finance, sales, inventories, and more with Excel. This course will teach you how to handle your business data like a pro. Now, this is the course outline for this particular Excel course. First of all, you're going to get started with Excel, design workbooks. We are going to know how to add text and data input. You're going to use formulas and functions, add format tables, collaborate with others, create format pivot charts and pivot tables. You are going to learn how to analyze and chart data. You're going to add format charts. We are going to go deep into how to protect our workbook with passwords, and we are going to do a whole lot of things. Then the final project will be building dashboard with Excel. Now, with our lesson 1, we are going to have the introduction to Excel, now navigating the Excel workbook and data entry. So thank you, and let's go straight up to the Excel interface.